Hey guys, it's Whitney and I'm doing a curly fur wash and go today, and this is what I'm starting with. It's probably 2 weeks old hair and very knotted, and it's like a nest at this point. Let's get started. So I'm not going to show you how I shampoo and conditioner because I don't like using the camera in the shower, but this is my shampoo, Black Vanilla, as well as the conditioner is Black Vanilla by Carol's Daughter. I use the Hair Milk by Carol's Daughter Original Leave-In Moisturizer, as well as the Almond Jai, I think that's correct, Camille Rose type of pudding twisting butter. And then for my gel type mixture, I use the Curl Maker by Camille Rose because it does not make my hair crunchy at all. I also use a diffuser. If you want to layer edges, I use the Style Factor, but whatever works for you is good. And then I also have my satin scrunchies, my clips, and my wide tooth comb. I'm starting out with freshly washed soaking wet hair. You do not have to wash your hair technically, but I personally prefer soaking wet hair when I do this style. I have my satin scrunchies and I'm going to split my hair, a small section in the back, all the way across. The part does not matter, and then put the rest into a ponytail. Then I'm going to use this hair milk spray. I didn't show that in the beginning, but it's really just water because that's what I just filled it up with. And I'm going to make my hair even more wet as possible. Then I'm going to use the hair milk as well as the twisting butter by Camille Rose and combine them together and then finger detangle them throughout my hair. I take my time finger detangling so I can make sure I get all the knots out, because trust me, you do not want to deal with the knots in a week or in 2 weeks. And I also use a wide tooth comb to get the ends and work my way up, and then I continue to finger detangle again. Then I use the Camille Rose Curl Maker and finger detangle that through my hair. I'm making sure when I finger detangle to kind of bring my fingers together when I get towards the end, so I can make sure that the hair is kind of clumping together, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you the difference between hair with product and hair without product. Total difference. Curls are very defined. Miraculously, I've finished my whole head in 5 seconds. This is all the product that I have put into my hair. It looks like a lot and it's gonna dry and go away, so the white is not gonna stay. I'm taking the hair milk and spritzing my hair, getting it as wet as possible once again, and combining the butter with the hair milk, and then I'm going to finger tangle it once again. We're just recapping at this point. Now I take the Camille Rose and add this snot-like substance to my hair. It was still super soaking wet, so we're using the diffuser to dry it just a little bit. And this is the end result. As the days go on, it's going to get bigger and fluff up, so I really like it. For the sake of this video, I put on a cute top and some earrings and some lip gloss so that I could show how cute this hairstyle actually is, because you know, sometimes when you just do a hairstyle it can look not as cute, not dressed up. I laid my edges, as you can see, just a little bit. In reality though, honestly, I don't really care about my edges, so I probably wouldn't have laid them if it weren't for, you know, me trying to do this video. But this is my curly fro. Right now my hair is probably like 50% wet, still very wet. I got lazy and didn't feel like, what's that thing called? Oh, diffusing my hair for an hour. That's not something I normally do. Usually I let it air dry, but I liked that I got it a little bit drier so that there's not so much product showing, and then the rest is gonna air dry. My hair is gonna shrink up because it literally shrinks to my head. I know that's gonna happen. So tonight, to go to sleep, I'm gonna put my hair in half up, half down. So 2 ponytails right here going down, like 1, 2 right here, and then 1 at the top of my head. That's basically what I'm gonna do to go to sleep to protect my style. But I wanted to show how cute this could be, and I haven't ever been able to do my hair and actually feel good about a wash and go, like ever. I've usually always done a braid out or a twist out or braids or something like that because I don't like how my hair looks when I get out the shower and try and go. So these products, for me, they worked. I'm very, very satisfied with this wash and go, and I'm honestly, this is my 3rd time wearing my hair like this or doing my hair and using this combination, and I love it. I'll post some Instagram videos of when I first did it. So today we're on day 3. I'm like amazed. My hair is very soft, like it's not crunchy or anything. Is it a look? I think so. It's so thick. And how amazed I was that I could get the curly fro look that I was looking for all these years. I'm back to YouTube. I have not made a video in ages. I'm now 24, and I used to make videos all the time from when I was in high school up until mid-college, and now I'm trying again because we can always, you know, jump back into old things that we used to do that we know we love. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please, please, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Well, this is really exciting. I'm gonna be really nervous when I post this, but whatevs. It's probably gonna get like 5 views. Anyways, have a good day and be blessed.